Good morning, my third grade mathematicians. Today we are going to decompose irregular polygons to find the area of the entire polygon. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to draw a line to decompose this polygon. So right here, I'm going to draw my line. So now I have polygon A and I have polygon B. So what I'm going to do now is find the area of this polygon, which is a square, and I have to figure out what the side length. I know that the length here is 2, but now the width is going to be 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3, which is 5 here and 3 up there, and that equals 2. So this would make this width 2 also. So now I'm going to find the area of rectangle A. So 2 millimeters times 2 millimeters equals 4 millimeters squared. So now I'm going to find the area of polygon B. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 6, 3 millimeters times 6 millimeters, so that would be 18 millimeters square. Now I have to add A and B together. So I'm going to add 4 plus 18, and that equals 22 millimeters square. So the total area is 22 millimeters square. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thanks and have a great day.